Unlocking the magic, reach 1,000 subscriptions today. Are you ready to reach a milestone in your YouTube journey? Here's how you can achieve 1,000 subscriptions swiftly and successfully. Content is king. Create engaging, original videos that captivate your audience and keep them coming back for more. Consistency is key. Maintain a regular posting schedule. This way, your audience knows when to expect your next amazing video. Promote wisely. Utilize social media platforms to share snippets of your videos. This can pique interest and drive traffic to your channel. Interact with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for video suggestions, build a community. It's all about building relationships. Lastly, collaborate with other YouTubers. This can help you reach a wider audience and gain more subscribers. Remember, building a successful channel takes time. Keep creating, keep growing, and before you know it, you'll have hit 1,000 subscriptions and beyond.